This video is to talk about the readiness of the school to conduct the 12th standard practical sessions. Utmost care has been taken to create a safe, clean and secure environment for our students.
The Orchid School gives utmost priority to the safety and security of its staff and the student. During the pandemic lockdown, everyone, staff, students, everyone was comfortable working from home, whether it was teaching or whether it was learning for students. Once the school has got the permission to reopen, for us as a school, it was very important that we make the arrangement so that whoever enters the school premises should be confident and fearless to enter. So that's why the school has made arrangements and the standard operating procedures have been laid down to take care of the situation so that there is no scope of any infection. We have tried our best to make all the arrangements. So the contactless arrangements have been done in the infrastructure, and all the staff members and the parents, including the students, have been oriented about the mandates that they have to follow while entering the school.
We have various safety precautions which we are following in the lab. We have kept reagents at separate stations so that students do not, get close to each other while they are using the reagents. And we are sanitizing the labs between the two batches.
And I've been coming over here for the past 2 days to conduct practicals. And generally speaking, it's been a pretty positive experience. Most of the precautions that they have said that were going to be followed are going to be followed. Everyone's wearing masks at all times. There's comfortable distance between everyone. And I feel safe.
Confident with the way Orchid has been handling the entire situation. From the start when I come to the gate, they check my temperature, ask me to sanitize whether I've been facing any symptoms. When I come to the practical labs, all of the labs have been sanitized after each use. I've been asked to stay at the same station for all 3 days to ensure that there's no people aren't sharing too many things. We've all, even during our breaks, we've been asked to sit a couple of feet away. The chairs are all very, very well spaced. So we've all been socially distancing, masks on. The teachers have been very facial. So we've been feeling very confident.
A total run through for the whole week that all the labs, the apparatus, microscopes, everything got sanitized. And yes, we kick-started yesterday, and with God's grace, everything is going very, very smooth.
So we're extremely happy to see how much care the school has taken and how they're doing their utmost best to make sure that we're all safe at all times.
And the teachers make sure to wear face shields and face masks and make sure we're doing the same. And also
they've made sure that in the labs we have our own trays with our own equipment, so we don't share any equipment or any of the chemical bottles.
the labs are sanitized after every session, and there's contactless sanitizers outside the lab so we can sanitize whenever required. Also, there's automatic taps in the bathrooms.
They're also making sure that we all maintain social distancing even during our break times. There are chairs placed in different boxes and we're required to sit far apart. The teachers also make sure that we have our masks on at all times and that we don't go too close to each other during practicals.
And we were very apprehensive at first, but the way the school has handled this situation is very reassuring.
Yeah, they've even blockaded off areas so that the children don't wander too much. We're only allowed to go to specific areas, all of which are sanitized at regular intervals. So yeah, we're extremely happy with how it's all done.
Yeah.
To give you a brief idea of all the factors that we have kept in mind to open the school, let us tell you that we have done all that was required and maybe a little bit more. What I mean by that is, whether it's the sanitation, whether it's screening of the staff and students. Everything has been done in place so that the school is a safe haven for the kids to come over here and conduct their practicals. We have even reduced the batch size drastically so that there is maximum amount of distance between any two students while they are conducting their practicals. COVID is a reality and we have to move along with COVID, but with responsibility on our side. And that's why, to be responsible, we have ensured that our staff as well as our students understand what is responsibility, whether when it comes to the break time or even during the practicals. They maintain all the basic norms, whether it's wearing a mask, whether it is keeping a safe distance between each other. When they enter the school, if we find even the slightest of indication that they have any symptoms which are not which may not be normal, we definitely indicate it to the parents so that the parents can take the child back home. So everything has been taken care of, and with all this we are hopeful that we will be able to tide over and have a smooth and successful practice of all the practical sessions with our grade 12 students. Thank you.
As you can see, this is an isolation room that has been created just in case there is a child who needs that kind of a rest or help. Parents have been taken on board by taking a meeting online with them and all the consent forms, and I am very happy to see that they are completely cooperating with us in all the terms and conditions that we are putting to open the school. I would also like to introduce you to the school nurse, Vishakha over here. She will talk about what is her responsibility in all of this.
हेलो, आई एम इंफर्मल नर्स। यहाँ पे किसी बच्चे को अगर प्रैक्टिकल के पे बर्न होता है या फिर कट होता है तो वहाँ पे फर्स्ट एड वगैरह प्रोवाइड करती हूँ, या फिर किसी बच्चे ने मास्क नहीं वेयर किया हो तो, या फिर सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग के बारे में सब बच्चों को बताती हूँ, और सैनिटाइज करना पड़ता है बार बार, वो भी सब देखती हूँ।